Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing both browsers. Update Brave and Chrome to the latest stable release, because version mismatches cause failures. Sign into Chrome with the Google account you want synced and note the profile name. In Brave, open Settings and enable Brave Sync or the Import Settings option. This begins the connection phase. Once done, make sure cookies and site data aren't blocked. Those can prevent imports. You'll see a sync code or import dialog. Keep Chrome open and ready. Now perform the core transfer. In Brave settings, choose Import Data and pick Chrome as the source. Select Bookmarks, History, Passwords, and Settings, then start import. Extensions don't always copy automatically. Open the Chrome Web Store in Brave and install the extensions you need, because extensions are tied to the store. Check each extension's permissions and enable Brave's Password Manager sync if you imported passwords, so changes propagate. Once imported, browse a few sites to verify bookmarks and history appear. Finish by confirming everything synced. Open bookmarks, test logins, and review history in both browsers. If you need multi-device continuity, enable Brave Sync Chain on your mobile device and join the same sync chain. This mirrors Chrome data indirectly. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate your Google account in Chrome and Brave, clear conflicting cache, or disable privacy extensions temporarily. Those often block imports. If passwords won't transfer, export them from Chrome as a CSV and import into Brave.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.